Hello, super boys and girls. Time for a new lesson in our social studies. Please bring our community and beyond book and open page 24. Today is the first page for our new lesson, lesson 2, special holidays. So we're gonna read together the essential question, and remember, we will be able to have the right answer after we finish our lesson, which is lesson 2. These are the new words: holiday, celebrations, slavery, and culture. So let's start first with our new words, right?
A celebration is a special way to honor a person, place, or event.
One more time.
A celebration is a special way to honor a person, place, or event.
And you see this family celebrate probably Thanksgiving. They have a special meal and all the relatives sitting around their dining table having their meal. So let's go for our next word, new word.
Slavery. Slavery means that one person takes away another person's freedom.
It means these persons have no right or freedom to decide to do what they want or to eat what they want or to move to places. They don't have the freedom to do that. Someone else is controlling their freedom. Okay. Third word.
Culture is the way a group of people live. It is made up of a group's special food, music, and art.
And you see here, the children celebrating. This is a special celebration for the children wearing their cultural clothes with colors. Probably they go visit certain places and maybe also they eat special food.
Holiday. A holiday is a day when we remember and honor a special event or person.
All right, so let's go back to our book and see what we have to do for page 24. So here are the words. Find and circle these words: holidays, celebrations, slavery, and culture. So when you see the words in your page, you circle it. Find one new word. So probably there will be one new word that we did not have it in our word hunting. All right, let's read. You just learned about life long ago and today. Now you will learn about holidays. A holiday is a day when we remember and honor a special event or person. So we have a small activity to do it here. What is the special day your family celebrates? Write about your special day on the line below. So you're gonna say the name of that special day and draw a picture of the celebration in the box to the left. So over here, you're gonna do your drawing. So you can say, you celebrate something that happened in that day. So you wear special clothes, or you eat special meal, or you visit certain places or special places to celebrate this day. All right, page 25. Let's celebrate. During the year, Americans come together to honor and celebrate our nation's people and events. So we have a special people in our life that they did something special. So these events and these people, we celebrate and we honor them and we celebrate that special day in different days and different months. So we have in January, we celebrate Dr. Martin Luther King Jr. We have that special day. In February, we celebrate and honor the President's Day. In May, we have Cinco de Mayo, and Memorial Day. We celebrate these 2 days of events in different days and dates in May. And we have Independence Day in July, and we have Veterans Day and Thanksgiving in November. So these are the holidays that we celebrate, and some of the holidays actually we celebrate in America. All right, let's go to page 26 and learn more about Dr. Martin Luther King Jr. Day. All right, many years ago, some people were treated unfairly because of the color of their skin. Dr. Martin Luther King Jr. worked hard so that all Americans will be treated the same. Today, we remember and honor Dr. Martin Luther King Jr. in January. One way to honor him is by working with others in our community. So the reason we honor and celebrate Dr. Martin Luther King Jr. Day, because, which it happened in January, Dr. Martin did something important that people long ago were not treated fairly or equally. Because of their skin color, they have to be going through different things. They were not treated like others people. So Martin Luther King Jr. stopped and fight this unfairness and fight for everybody's rights and ask that all Americans should be treated equally. Doesn't matter what skin color you have or what education or whatever we need to be all treated equally. Over here, draw a picture to show how you can honor Dr. Martin Luther King Jr. So you can, for example, draw the flag and draw children with different colors holding the flags or playing together as we all united. All right, you have a big box. You can use your crayons and colors and be creative. All right, page 27, we're still related to that same. We're talking about celebrations and holidays. So we had, first one was Dr. Martin Luther King Jr. Day over there. And today, now we're gonna talk about our President's Day. In February, we celebrate President's Day. On this day, we remember the birthday of Presidents George Washington and Abraham Lincoln. So for both of them, George Washington, Abraham Lincoln, we celebrate them in February. President's Day is also a day to celebrate all of our other presidents. So first, they were for only President George Washington and Abraham Lincoln, but now we celebrate President's Day in all other presidents in these days in Thebruary. So let's see what President George Washington did and what some of what the thing they did and make them us to honor them, and President Abraham Lincoln. So let's read first. President George Washington: I helped fight for our country's freedom and became our first president. I'm also known as the very good father of our country. So we always call him the father of the country, or President George Washington. All right. As you see here, this is like a little poster with the balloons. Happy birthday, George and Abraham. Let's see what President Abraham Lincoln did. I was the 16th president. I helped to end slavery. Slavery is when one person takes away another person's freedom. And we explained the word slavery in the beginning of the lesson. When we listen to the video, will give us the meaning for the words. The new words that will be covered for this lesson. All right, circle one fact you learn about both presidents. One fact you learn about both presidents, you gonna circle it on this page. So go back again and read. All right. Before we do that, I wanna ask something. Why do you think we celebrate holidays? Because we honor certain people, special people in our life. We honor events, and we honor a special day that it's important to us in many ways. All right. How do we remember people on these holidays? When we have a special occasion for this day. If you remember, we talked about Cinco de Mayo. When do we celebrate it? In May, yes. All right, over here, one fact you learned about both President George Washington and Abraham Lincoln, that we celebrate or their President Day, or we celebrate their birthdays both in February. So one fact, you're gonna say that we remember the birthday of Presidents George Washington and Abraham Lincoln in February. So you circling from here, this part. Okay. So now we know what's holidays. We know how do we honor Martin Luther King Jr., Dr. Martin Luther King Jr., how do we honor him? We also learn that the month, when do we celebrate President's Day? And we have just few of the special events and special days that it's important to us as Americans. All right, that's it for today, first graders. Bye-bye.